So you've purchased a citation package. Inside of this citation package, it includes, but not limited to, the most relevant local citations. If you're in the US, sites like Yelp and Monta. It includes the most relevant. They could also be niche specific. But also included in these larger packages are the types of citations that are distributed on non-US based or perhaps foreign websites. So the question that I want to answer in today's video is regarding foreign local citation building. Is it worth it? Is it helpful? And is it hurtful? So these are the three questions that I really want to give you the answer by the end of this video. So of course, I don't want to waste any time. Let's get directly into the information. So first and foremost, if you're just looking for a quick answer, the answer is no. It's not going to hurt you. Now, when doing SEO, the O stands for optimization or optimal. Is it the most optimal? No. But I want you to refer back to backlink building. When we're looking at backlinks, regardless of the niche, all right, regardless of whatever niche you're in, if we're doing backlink building, and say you're a plumber in Texas, okay, let's just use this as an example, a plumber in Texas. All right, I know we're talking about citations, but a citation is a name, address, phone number, right? A NAP, along with a website, a description, a URL, and some keywords that are built within. So with that being said, let's just take a look at this top performing website, not the .gov, but let's go right down here to the plumbing center. Let's just take, for instance, if I do a copy of this, I bring this website in, this particular page, we're going to go down to the actual root so we can take a look at the overall what's powering up this website. If we take a look down here at the backlinks, and again, a citation is a form of a link. I know the primary of the citation is the name, address, phone number, but there is generally a URL built within. Yes, they're usually no follow, but some are do follow. And I think that this is where that question is coming from. Hey, I'm getting links from random places. Is this going to hurt me? And the point that I'm trying to make here is here's a plumber in Texas ranking at the top of class, #1 in a big state, the biggest state, I think, in the United States. And if we take a look here at their backlink profiles here, we'll take a look at the backlink analytics. Just stick with me here. Bear with me here. I want to get to the point. I wanted to do this fresh while you were here with me. But if we take a look here at the backlinks and we're taking a look at the backlink profiles, or even better yet, let's take a look at the referring domains, and we take a look down the list of referring domains. Yes, a majority is United States, which makes sense. We're in the United States. But this is Germany. This is not US. As we keep scrolling down here, we take a look here. Here's Indonesia. This one probably, again, these are probably non-US. As we keep scrolling down here, here's another one, Germany. Here's another here, Indonesia. And the list will probably go on. And in different states, it'll have different profiles. But the point and the fact that I'm trying to make here is that regardless of where you are or what kind of link building or citation building you're receiving, the top performers don't only have one particular type of IP range coming in from a very particular type of country. So are these citations going to hurt your overall campaign? Absolutely not. But let's start talking about implied links. So an implied link goes back to a Panda patent, which was a Google patent, a core patent update, where Panda, which was the creator of the Panda patent, came up with something called an implied link. Implied link is much like a co-citation. So the point I'm trying to make here, giving you this patent here, and you can read about implied links in the Panda patent. I'm sure you already have, but feel free to go ahead and have a look here. And I'm sure this hasn't been updated, but they've built on top of these patents and the way they analyze and the way they do things. And I'm pointing this out because at a certain point of your SEO campaigns, whether you're building backlinks, citations, press releases, if you're building links, at a certain point, you just want to keep adding links to the pile. More importantly, you want to be adding implied links or co-citation. Just the simple fact of having a mass amount of websites repeating your name, address, phone number, an implied link, a co-citation consistently and persistently across the web. Then you add it to data aggregation. Regardless of where this comes from, it cannot hurt. It only helps. And in most cases, these links are considered no follow. These links a lot of times won't even have a URL. It'll just be name, address, phone number. So the next time you get a package and it contains, if you're in the US, it has Indonesian or German or Brazil or India or different types of citations built within the package, don't look at this as a bad thing. Look at this as a good thing. This is a better way, a cheaper way, an added way to get out your name, address, phone number. On top of that, have a great read regarding implied links, co-citation building, brand mentions. Having these instances, digital references on the web at scale, is only a plus, never a negative for your business. Now, I wouldn't just only rely on this for powering your website, but it certainly won't hinder it. My name's Chris Palmer. If you have any future questions related to foreign SEO, local SEO citations, or anything local search engine optimization related, feel free to go ahead and ask in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next foreign SEO local citation building video. I'll see you in the next one.